Welcome to Good Cooking Ideas channel. I received a lot of lovely comments in my last video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's stay in strong connection. I went to a grocery store last weekend. I was shocked that some food and supplies were sold out. Pasta as well. Only a few bags of pasta left on the shelf. However, I found something really cool. The Dinosaur Pasta and the wooden knife spoon set. See how lovely they are? I'm gonna use them to make the snacks. Dinosaur Pasta. Let's go! The ingredients are showing here. Heat the oil to high temperature, then turn to medium-low heat. Toss in dinosaur pasta. Continuously stir the pasta. Leave the heat after 1 to 2 minutes when pasta turns brown. Place the fried pasta on parchment sheets to let it cool. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add a quarter teaspoon of fine black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon of chili powder. Add a half teaspoon of curry powder. Mix well. Toss in seasonings. I love these little cutie snacks. I hope you enjoy. Please give me a thumb up if you like this video. Subscribe and share my video to your friends. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.